Try out this berry breakfast bake that is quick and easy to make, is a whole food plant-based dish and is healthy as well as delicious. Place the berries into a baking dish. You can use either fresh or frozen berries. Add chia seeds, lemon juice and stir until combined. Drizzle with a little maple syrup or agave syrup. Stir and then place to one side. In a bowl, mix together oat flour, coconut sugar, cinnamon and walnuts. Stir until combined. Add maple or agave syrup and almond butter. You can also use peanut butter. Stir the mixture thoroughly, then use your hands to work the almond butter into the mixture. Sprinkle over the berries and gently pat down the mixture. Pop into a preheated oven to bake. When it is ready, it is so delicious with the sweet and tart berries mixed with the nutty topping flavored with the coconut sugar, so the dish is sweet but has enough sharpness from some of the berries to cut through the sweetness to balance the flavors perfectly. The full recipe is below. Like, save and share this post and follow me for more tasty vegan recipes.